Hello children, good morning to all of you. This is your mathematics class. From the half yearly syllabus we have completed one chapter percentage. The second chapter we are going to start today, and that is linear equations. So see here, I have written some questions. Must pay attention and understand it carefully. The first question is 5 into z plus 4 is equal to 35. Children, in the linear equation, in all the questions, you have to find the value of variable. Just like here is 5 into z plus 4 is equal to 35. So first you can open the bracket also. You can transfer 5 in another side also. Calculation process may be different. That depends on you which process you are going to choose. See here, z plus 4. If this 5 is transferred right hand side, then 35 will be divided by 5. You can see when it divides it will come 7. That means z is equal to 7 minus 4, because plus 4 is transferred right hand side becomes minus 4. Okay, so z is equal to 7 minus 4 means z is equal to 3, and this will be your answer. Okay, in every question you have to find the value of variable. To find the value of variable, one by one all the other numbers will be transferred other side. See one more question, question number 2. Again the question is looking little bit same. In this question I am going to tell the second method. First 2 will be multiplied inside. When 2 is multiplied inside, it will become 2y minus 2 is multiplied by 5 by 2 is equal to 0.3. You can see that these two are cancelling each other. Therefore, 2y is equal to, when minus 5 will come this side, it will become plus 5. 5 plus 0.3 will be 5.3. There is 2y. When 2 is transferred right hand side, it will divide to the right hand side, because 2 is multiplied here. So when it will be transferred right hand side, it will divide 5.3. So y is equal to, divide 5.3 by 2. 2 into 2 4, 1 remainder. Then we will put decimal. 1 and 3 13. 2 into 6 12. Again 1 remainder. Then 2 into 5 10. That means y is equal to 2.65. Must pay attention and see the questions carefully. See the question number 3. 3x minus 5 by 3 is equal to x minus 3. You can see that the variable x is present both the sides. Okay, so first we will bring the variables together. This x is positive. When it will come left hand side, it will become negative. Okay, plus x will come this side, then it will become minus x. Here minus 5 by 3 will be transferred right hand side, then it will become positive, and this minus 3 is remaining. Understood? X is positive, so when it is transferred left hand side becomes negative. 5 by 3 is negative, when it is transferred right hand side becomes positive. Addition and subtractions of the like terms can be done. That is why both the x we have taken together and both the numerals we have taken together in another side. Okay, now solve. 3x minus x is 2x. This is a fraction. We have to subtract a number from fraction. So first we will take the LCM. When we take the LCM 3 here, then here 5 will remain minus 3 into 3 will be the 9. Okay, this 3 is dividing LCM 3 coming 1. 1 is multiplied by numerator 5, so here is 5. There is no numerator, there is no denominator, so this LCM 3 will be multiplied by this numerator 3. So 3 into 3 is 9. 5 minus 9 is minus 4. Because when a smaller number subtracts a larger number, our answer comes in negative. When this 2 is transferred right hand side, it will go to the denominator, because 2 is multiplied by x. So when 2 is transferred, it will go to denominator. Now 2 dividing 4 by 2 times. So your answer is minus 2 by 3. Okay. Now see fourth question. Again variable x is present both side of the equal. Left hand side also, right hand side also. So first bring them together. When 0.2x comes left hand side becomes minus 0.2x and minus 1.9 goes right hand side, it will become plus 1.9 and this is plus 0.5. 1.9 plus 0.4 will be 2.4 and 0.6 minus 0.2 will be 0.6 minus 0.2 will be 0.4. Now transfer and get your answer. 2.4 upon 0.4. You can see both are the like decimals. So decimals can be removed. Right hand side of the decimal there is 1 digit. Right hand side of the decimal there is 1 digit. So both the numbers are like decimals. In the like decimals we can remove the decimal. This 0 is left hand side of the 4. So this 0 will be valueless if written here. That is why I am not writing 0. Now 24 divided 4 is 6. So variable x is equal to 6. Now see question number 5. In this question first we will open the bracket. Minus 2 is multiplied by 5 becomes minus 10. Minus 2 is multiplied by minus 3x becomes plus 6x. Minus 2 is multiplied by plus 5 becomes minus 10. Minus 2 is multiplied by minus 3x becomes plus 6x. Right hand side 4 into x 4x. 4 into minus 3 minus 12. This is plus 5. Now see 7 minus 10 is minus 3. Plus 6x is equal to 4x minus 12 plus 5 will be minus 7. Understood? Now bring the x together and numerals together. So it will be 6x minus 4x because 4x is positive. When it comes left hand side becomes negative. 3 is negative. When it will go right hand side becomes plus 3 and this is minus 7. 6x minus 4x is 2x and 3 minus 7 is minus 4. So x is equal to minus 4 upon 2, that means minus 2. Understood? Now pause the video and note down these questions. Okay, now see some more questions. The question number 6. P minus in the bracket 2p plus 5 minus 5 into 1 minus 2p is equal to 2 into 3 plus 4p minus 3 into p minus 4. Children, in this type of questions, left hand side solve separately, right hand solve separately and make them simple. Okay, see how? Here first open the bracket. P minus. When minus is multiplied by 2, p becomes minus 2p. Minus is multiplied by plus 5 becomes minus 5. Here minus 5 is multiplied by 1 becomes minus 5. Minus 5 is multiplied by minus 2p becomes 10p because minus into minus becomes plus. Okay. Now see the right hand side. 2 into 3, 6. 2 into plus 4, plus 8p. Okay. Here minus 3 into p, minus 3p. Minus 3 into minus 4, plus 12. Be careful for the sign. Okay. Minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus. Minus into plus minus, minus into minus becomes plus. Plus into plus, plus. Plus into plus, plus. Minus into plus, minus. Minus into minus, plus. So be careful for the sign. Now see this one. P minus 2p. There will be minus p. Are you watching it? This is 1p. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So there is minus p. Is this understood? minus 5 will be minus 10 because similar sign add together, but sign does not change. In the addition and subtraction the sign does not change. So since both the numbers have same sign, so number will be added but the sign will be same. This is plus 10p is equal to, say here, 6 plus 12. This is 18. 6 plus 12 is 18. Plus 8 minus 3. Plus 8p minus 3p will be plus 5p. We are taking plus sign because greater number has positive sign. In the case of addition or subtraction, the answer keeps the sign of the larger number. 8 is greater than 3. 8 is greater than 3, that is why sign of 8 is written with answer. Okay. Minus p plus 10p will be 9p because 10 minus 1 is 9. Understood? 10p minus 1p is equal to 9p. Minus 10 is equal to 18 plus 5p. Since both are unlike terms, so they cannot be added. Now bring the p together. 9p minus 5p is equal to 18 plus 10. Is this understood? Plus 5 transfer left hand side becomes minus 5. Minus 10 transfer right hand side becomes plus 10. 18 plus 10 is 28. 9 minus 5 is 4. Okay. So p is equal to 28 divided by 4. That means p is equal to 7. Okay. When you are solving this type of questions, first open the bracket, be careful with the sign and then solve it. Now see the question number 7. You can see that left hand side is also fraction, right hand side is also fraction. So when you are going to solve this type of questions, first make the cross multiplication. Here 3 will be multiplied by 8 minus 3x is equal to 2 will be multiplied by 5x plus 31. Now open the bracket and solve it. 3 into 8, 24. 3 into minus 3, minus 9 and x. Because 3 into minus 3x is minus 9x. Plus 2 into 5x will be plus 10x. 2 into plus 31 will be plus 62. Okay. Now you can see that this cannot be solved because these are the unlike terms. Similarly, these two also cannot be added because these are unlike terms. So how to solve? Bring the like terms together. Just like when 10x comes this side becomes minus 10x. This is minus 9x. When 24 goes right hand side, it will become minus 24. 62 is positive. 24 is positive. When it will go right hand side becomes minus 24. 62 minus 24 will be how much? 12 minus 4, 8. 5 minus 2 is 3. 38. Minus 10x minus 9x will be minus 19x. Because both the numbers have same sign, so number will be added. 10 plus 9 is 19. Sign will be negative because both the numbers have negative sign. Now x is equal to 38 upon minus 19. Children, don't write here plus 19. If you write 38 plus 19, it will be wrong. Because minus 19 is multiplied with x. So when minus 19 is transferred right hand side will be divided by minus 19. Okay. Now x is equal to minus dividing positive sign. So answer will come negative. And 19 into 2 is 38. That means x is equal to minus 2. Okay. Now see this question also. X by 3 plus x by 4 is equal to 15. We know that the sum of fractions is done by taking the LCM of denominators. 3 and 4 LCM will be 12. Now LCM is divided by 3. Coming 4. 4 into x is 4x. Plus 4 dividing 12 coming 3. 3 into x is 3x is equal to 14. Now 4x plus 3x is 7x is equal to, this 12 will be multiplied by 14. So 14 into 12 it will be. Now x is equal to 14 into 12 upon 7. You can see that 7 is dividing 14 by 2 times. So 2 into 12 is 24. That means x is equal to 24.